Hi everybody, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a Myanmar style or Burmese style fried fish. It is simple and delicious and you'll definitely enjoy making this at home. I have here 1.5 pounds of salmon. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it and some pepper. And I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna mix these first. And it looks like this. I'm gonna use canola oil for frying. And I'm gonna use a small pan, but it's a little deep, so I'm gonna use less oil that way. I'm gonna just fill it up to like about half of my pan and then turn the heat to medium. Let's test the oil with a piece of fish. Oh, it's ready. I'm gonna put in the small pieces first. And these would cook really well, really fast. Beautiful. Here's a second batch. The fried fish is ready. I'm gonna serve it with a side of cilantro lime rice. Basically, the cilantro lime rice is to just add chopped cilantro, a little bit of butter, and a squeeze of lime and just mix it with a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna sprinkle some Himalayan pink salt on the fried fish. There you go. It's very simple and it's quick and it's easy. I hope you try this at home. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified with every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.